Snap Finance does not help you build your credit score at all. They do not report to the credit bureaus. So say if you take a loan out with Snap, they're not going to report to the credit bureaus. So they're not going to help you build your credit. If you guys were to do like Snap or like Acima, they're not going to report. Well, let me not bring Acima in here, but these companies right here, usually they don't report to the credit bureaus. Double check for Acima, but for sure Snap Finance is not going to report to the credit bureaus. They'll let you get the credit, but they're not going to report to the credit bureaus. So it should not affect your credit score. Now I brought in Acima. So since I brought in Acima, let me even see if they report to the credit bureaus, because I can say something now. Also, Acima is actually only going to report to Experian only. They're not going to report. Acima is only going to report to Experian. They're not going to report to TransUnion or Equifax. They're only going to report to Experian. So Snap is not going to report at all. So it's not going to help you build your credit. But at least Acima is going to report to Experian, which can boost your credit score more for your Experian credit score.